Hello, my name is Phil Carr, and I'm the instructor for the CJ1 Introduction to Criminal Justice course this semester at Cabrillo College. And I'd like to take a few minutes to go over the course syllabus with you. When you first log on to the course website, you'll see on the left side a toolbar, and all you need to do is click on the word syllabus, and you'll bring up the document you're looking at now. The syllabus is just an overview of what we're going to be doing during the semester. I really try to stick to the syllabus and not make any changes, as I know everyone has other courses they're taking, they have jobs, they have family, and so I try and make this as clear and concise. So every week, every Monday morning, you're going to be getting an announcements from me prior to 10 a.m. that will give you the information about the upcoming week's assignments. You'll always have a chapter quiz, a discussion topic, and it'll also announce when you have any papers due. It also gives you an idea of the areas that we're going to be covering. We'll be using the textbook CJ5 Criminal Justice 5th Edition by Gaines and Miller. It's available at the bookstore and online. You can get hard copies, you can get rental copies and electric copies. I've checked with the bookstore, everything's available for you there. And this is a relatively inexpensive textbook. Some of the learning outcomes, what we're going to talk about is the historic development of the criminal justice system, the relationships of the subsystems, what causes crime, and what are some of the theories of punishment and rehabilitation in the justice system. Also, it gives the grading criteria. I grade strictly by points at the end of semester, so you can monitor your points in the grade book, which you'll have access to all semester. It'll show you a running total and give you individual scores for each of your assignments. There's going to be a variety of different quizzes, syllabus quiz, introduction paper, Susanville Prison Group Project, which is a new project for me. At the end of every semester, I ask students what they'd like to see or have changed, and one of the changes they wanted was they wanted the due dates changed from Friday night to Sunday night, which I've done. And also they wanted a group project, which I haven't done a large group project like this one recently. And so we'll be working with that. There's a Supreme Court case review, and we'll go over each of these as we go down. Introduction papers are just a short 2-page paper at the beginning of the semester to let me know a little bit about you. I'll post an introduction of myself, and you can review that. With each written assignment on this course syllabus, there's a due date. And again, all papers and all assignments are due on Sundays before midnight. Whatever the assignment is, if it's not submitted prior to midnight, it won't be able to be submitted. You'll have a case presentation where I'll assign you a major Supreme Court case and give you some information on how to look them up. And then you'll write a 2-page paper describing what you found. I'll have all of those case assignments posted by Sunday, September 11th, and they'll be due on midnight, October 2nd. And again, with each written assignment, other than the introduction paper and the Susanville Group Project, because it's a new project, I'll have a scoring rubric and also a sample paper attached for you to review prior to completing your assignment. If you have any problems with an assignment, please get a hold of me sooner rather than later. It's really hard to take care of an issue if you get a hold of me at 10 p.m. on Sunday night and the thing's due it by midnight. The Susanville Group Project, like I indicated, is a new project. And we'll talk a lot about that. There's also associated with any of these papers or projects, in the modules section, you'll see a more in detail description of what it is, and also, like I said, that's where you can find your sample papers and scoring rubrics. Online discussions each week, along with the chapter quiz and whatever else is due, you'll have an online discussion. You'll review an article or a video, and then I pose a number of questions that you need to respond to. These are questions you cannot answer in just 1 or 2 sentences. You need to explain yourself and give your opinion on it. I don't require any references for the discussions, but a lot of people do add those. To receive full credit, you have to respond to at least 2 other students' postings. I know everyone waits till the last minute to post, and that makes it difficult for some of you that post early. But check during the week, and you can post to any other student's posting, and that'll give you full credit for the assignment. We'll have online midterms and finals that are multiple choice true-false questions. Each is worth 50 points, and the dates for those are listed in the modules. Some other information about keeping yourself safe, the academic integrity, how to withdraw from the course, and when is the last day to drop with a W. That type of information, and you can also find that in the course catalog. One of the big things you need to do in this course is to complete the work prior to midnight on Sunday that's due that week. That's one of the big areas where people fall down. I know that everyone has a lot of different things going on, so I try to make this course rigorous enough to give you the information, but flexible enough to where you can complete the assignments easily within the week that you're given. Some of your rights and responsibilities, and then like I said, if you need any information on important dates, you just click at the bottom for the schedule for Cabrillo, and it'll give it the August through September, and then it breaks it down by month. When the add period, when the withdrawal is. If you want to withdraw from this CAS without a W, you need to do that by September 11th. And then again, there's another date for the last date for where you can withdraw with a W, and that would be November 15th. Again, if you have any questions, please go ahead and get a hold of me. And again, welcome to the course, and I hope you have an enjoyable semester. Thank you.